In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin an important email in Outlook. If you're using the new Outlook app or Outlook on the web, pinning is the quickest way to keep a critical message front and center so it doesn't get buried as new mail arrives. Start by locating the email you want to save in your inbox. Hover your mouse over that message. On the right side, you'll see a small pin icon shaped like a thumbtack appear. Click that pin. If you prefer not to hover, you can also select the email first, then look to the toolbar at the top and click the pin icon there. Both actions do the same thing, so use whichever feels more natural. Once pinned, the message jumps into a dedicated pin section at the very top of your inbox. This section is your VIP shelf, making it easy to spot and open the message without scrolling. The message stays pinned until you decide otherwise, so it's perfect for confirmations, deadlines, or anything you need at a glance. When you're finished with it, simply click the pin again to unpin and it will return to its normal position in the inbox. Now, if you're on the classic Outlook desktop app, the pin feature isn't available. But you can get a similar result using flags and the to-do bar. Right-click the email, choose Follow Up, and then Flag for follow-up. Your flagged messages appear in the to-do bar on the right, which keeps them visible as reminders alongside your inbox. This is a reliable way to keep important emails within sight, especially if you work from your inbox all day. Another helpful approach in classic Outlook is using categories. Assign a color category something obvious like important to make the email stand out immediately. Categories are searchable and filterable, which makes finding that message later much faster. If you manage multiple priorities, consider setting a consistent color scheme so your eyes know what to look for. And for messages you'll revisit often, creating a dedicated folder and moving high-priority emails into it can provide quick, clutter-free access. This works well for ongoing projects or time-sensitive threads you don't want mixed in with everything else. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.